So, first look at the Mustang. I just got it home. One nice thing, it's already, for the most part, stripped out. Some junk in it. It's pretty nice and solid back here. Some stink bugs, unfortunately. This side's all pretty good too. Everything looks good. These towers are actually pretty nice. Here, that's one thing that is bad on these cars. I guess here's still has a grill in it. And the underneath of the car is pretty solid. Yeah, I picked it up for the right price. I guess I'll try and do something interesting with it, see how it runs. I also picked up, well, there's the hatch. I got this dirt track bumper for $5. And a big piece of guardrail off the guy for $5 that I'm going to put on a figure 8 car. But those were both well worth it. And there's the hatch. So, there it is. Wish me luck.